Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to find poster templates on the Filmmaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the first page, and if you want to make a new project, click to the new project section and you can add the videos and photos to your new video. And in the project section you can find your old projects and videos. Actually, if you want to find different templates, for example poster templates, click to the asset library option at the upper side of the screen and go to the lower bar and you can find the last option, the poster. And here you can find the preset, gradient or texture option, and just select one, for example the green, and you can download and you can use to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.